Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your device. Locate the serial or IMEI and have the original receipt or invoice ready. Once done, sign into Apple. Apple. Com to confirm the account email and trusted contact methods. If you can't sign in, note any recovery codes or trusted devices. Make sure your photo ID matches the purchase record and that you can describe where and when the device was bought, because Apple support will ask for these specifics. Next, contact Apple support directly and select the activation lock or device and repair path. This is the official channel for locked devices. When connected, clearly state you need an activation lock removal and be ready to transmit the serial/IMEI plus proof of purchase and ID. This reduces delays. Once the agent opens a case, record the reference number and the estimated timeline, because account recovery can take several days depending on documentation verification. To finish, follow every instruction from Apple. Upload scans or photos they request and confirm contact details. Timely responses speed approval. If your request is denied, recheck that the receipt matches Apple's records and that the buyer name aligns with your ID. Mismatches are the common cause. If problems persist, ask the agent to escalate or bring the device and original documents to an Apple store or authorized service provider for in-person verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.